All right, showing the futures action, we see that we have basically a really down push in the morning. Tested the 50, now above the 10, bullish MACD for that area, and we can see that if we start looking, it's next thing to test is that 189, 190 area. Okay, on the SPY, you can see again we have going on over here. We have a nice gap down and came and really tried to fill up. It didn't really engulf too much. We want to see it follow through. Again, we've been having this choppy action, and the hardest thing to get has been the follow through on anything, quite honestly. So I mean, we have an NQ. We look at the daily. Come on. This is why I don't fuck with Think or Swim. It is such annoying. All right, good Jesus. I know. I'll get through it. I just wanted to show the. You see this downtrend line we are testing. We have bullish MACD. We're above the 10. We need to get above this 50, and then we need to get above this 36.18 level. If you look at the QQQ, it does look a little bit better as far as, you know, gap down engulfing. But again, we are above bullish MACD. We want to get above this 88, this 88.27 level. The Russell, you can see the Russell. We have almost like higher lows. Higher lows and lower highs. So we have to see how this one really pans out. Testing the 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Apple closed high today, breaking that 600 level, huge psychological level, closed and went into the close, breaking it. So you can see that from here. Definitely continued and just ground high, but then closed up strong, which is a great sign for that name. You got Google. Let me look at the actual proper Google L class A. That's the one I've been looking at, and you can see that we are back. We have a kind of divergence. We have these lower highs in place, but we're above the 10 with bullish MACDs. So we want to see if it can recapture again this 542 level and back above this 548 level, and then we can continue to look to go long in that one. Twitter, you got Twitter. Just, man, I mean, bearish MACD, I wouldn't be looking to go long here. It's under the IPO lows, so I would not look to be going long that one. We got Priceline. Priceline is testing, giving a nice engulfing pattern right here. Want to see if we can test these downtrend lines as well. Bullish MACD curl up. So we want to see if it's really going to do what it can do. I mean, we got Tesla, we got earnings. When we have earnings after hours on Wednesday. So I want to see if we can get above these levels. It is above the 10 and test this 50-day. Okay, we have bullish MACD working in our favor for that one. I wanted to kind of look at the banking sector, because the banking sector to me is a very important sector. And god damn it, this is why, man, I tell you, sometimes this is what can be really annoying, and this is about as live as you can get. So let's see if we can get these 15, break this 15 and continue. MACD looks bearish for that. Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, it gapped down, but it did close strong. So we can kind of look at this 30-minute price action to see that it did gap down, but it held. Didn't really give you much. It was just range bound pretty much for the entire day. So maybe some people, if you're really aggressive, are playing for the gap fill tomorrow. I'll be cautious, but you do have the bullish MACD on the 30 to kind of give you some perspective per se. Nope. We want Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo continues to just look really good. Really good compared to everything. I mean, this bearish MACD was kind of annoying, and then it crossed above here. So we're gonna see if it take out these recent highs. You had I was looking at Estee Lauder. That one didn't do well at all. It just pretty much gapped down and faded down. You have COP. That one continues to look pretty good going into tomorrow. Nice bullish MACD as well from this earnings play, and it continued to the upside. And you had Amazon. Amazon, you know, again, we just have to see if this is actually going to be a bull flag and to take out these previous highs of 313.40 to 13.50 area and play from there. But again, the futures, that's why I'm using this shitty platform to do it. I kind of wanted to show that we still have some work to do, but you can see that we are grinding higher. So if we kind of look at this, or even go on the weekly time frame, which will help. We can see that we're back above that 10, even though it is sloping down, but these things can change very quickly. Again, we're looking at a test of the 50 on the Russell, bearish MACD. That's something we need to be concerned about. And only thing that kind of looking is still a bearish MACD. So you have the divergences between the daily and the weekly, and that's what's giving us all this shit action. So be very, very careful. I only took a nibble of Apple. All the other names that I look at, which are typically the high beta names, didn't give me much to go off of yesterday. And I'd rather sit so when it does start trending, either way, up or down, I can get in and make that money. So take care.